Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most misunderstood topics in tech, artificial intelligence. There's a lot of hype, fear, and confusion out there, so let's set the record straight. I'm going to walk you through 15 of the most common myths about AI and debunk each one with the facts. Let's get into it. Myth number 1. AI can think like a human. AI doesn't think, it processes. While AI can simulate certain aspects of human reasoning, it doesn't have consciousness, self-awareness, or emotions. It doesn't understand in the way humans do. It identifies patterns and correlations based on data. Even the most advanced AI models are essentially complex statistical engines. They don't have beliefs, desires, or intentions. So when people say AI is thinking, it's more accurate to say it's calculating probabilities based on training data. Number 2. AI is always objective and unbiased. AI reflects the data it's trained on, and that data often contains human biases. If the training data includes historical inequalities or skewed representations, intentionally or not, the AI will likely reproduce those patterns. Bias in AI isn't just a technical issue, it's a social one. Developers must be vigilant about auditing datasets, testing outputs, and involving diverse perspectives in the design process to reduce harmful outcomes. For example, Amazon developed an AI-based hiring tool in 2014 to automate resume screening, trained on resumes from a male-dominated tech industry over a decade. By 2015, the tool was found to be biased against women, downgrading resumes with terms like women's or from women's colleges, favoring male-associated language and recommending unqualified candidates. Despite attempts to fix it, Amazon scrapped the tool by 2017 due to persistent bias and unreliability. A current case, Mobley versus Workday, related to a system called HiredScore used between 2019 and 2024, was allegedly ranking, filtering, and scoring applicants based on age for major companies. A job applicant over 40 says he was rejected over 80 times by companies using Workday's AI tools. These cases highlight how AI can amplify human biases in training data, necessitating diverse datasets, regular audits, and human oversight to ensure fairness. It underscores the risks of over-relying on automation in hiring, the need for transparency in AI decisions, and the importance of involving diverse perspectives to prevent perpetuating societal inequalities, serving as a cautionary example for ethical AI development. Number 3. AI will soon replace all human jobs. AI will change the nature of work, but it won't eliminate all jobs. Historically, especially beginning in the 1980s, automation has displaced some roles while creating new ones. The same is happening with AI. Many jobs will evolve rather than disappear. Roles that require creativity, empathy, or complex decision-making are particularly resilient. The future of work will likely involve collaboration between humans and AI, not outright replacement. Number 4. AI understands language like we do. AI models can generate fluent, coherent text, but that doesn't mean it understands it. It doesn't grasp meaning the way humans do. It predicts what words are likely to come next based on patterns in data. This is why AI can sometimes produce convincing nonsense or fail to recognize context. It's not about comprehension, it's about correlation. That distinction is crucial when evaluating AI-generated content. Myth number 5. AI can be fully autonomous. No AI system today is truly autonomous. Even so-called autonomous vehicles or robots operate within strict boundaries and require human oversight, especially in unpredictable environments. AI systems are tools. They follow rules, respond to inputs, and operate within the limits of their programming and training. Autonomy in the human sense, making independent decisions with moral or ethical reasoning, is still far beyond current capabilities. Myth number 6. AI is inherently dangerous. AI isn't dangerous by default, it's how we use it that matters. Like any powerful tool, AI can be used for good or harm depending on the intentions and safeguards of its creators and users. The real risks come from misuse, lack of regulation, or deploying AI in high-stakes areas without proper oversight. Responsible development, transparency, and ethical frameworks are key to minimizing harm. Myth number 7. AI can learn anything on its own. AI doesn't learn like a human child. It requires massive amounts of labeled data, curated environments, and human guidance. Even reinforcement learning, which mimics trial and error, is heavily engineered. Self-learning AI is still a long way off. Most systems are narrow. They excel at specific tasks but can't generalize beyond them. General intelligence, the kind that can learn anything, remains a theoretical goal. Myth number 8. AI is all-powerful and infallible. AI makes mistakes, sometimes big ones. It can misidentify objects, misunderstand language, or produce biased results. Its performance depends on the quality of its data, the design of its algorithms, and the context in which it's used. Blind trust in AI can be dangerous. It's important to treat AI as a tool that needs validation, monitoring, and human judgment. Overestimating its capabilities can lead to poor decisions and unintended consequences. Myth number 9. AI doesn't need human supervision. AI needs constant oversight, especially in critical applications like healthcare, finance, or criminal justice. Left unchecked, it can reinforce biases, make flawed predictions, or behave unpredictably. Human-in-the-loop systems, where people review and guide AI decisions, are essential for accountability and safety. AI isn't a set-it-and-forget-it solution. It's a dynamic system that requires ongoing management. Myth number 10. AI can replace human creativity. AI can assist with creative tasks like generating art, music, or writing, but it doesn't create with intent or emotion. It recombines existing patterns in novel ways, but it doesn't have a vision or a message to convey. Human creativity is rooted in experience, culture, and emotion. AI can be a powerful collaborator, but it doesn't replace the human spark that drives true innovation and expression. Myth number 11. AI is a recent invention. The foundations of AI go back decades. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956, and early AI systems were developed in the 1950s and 60s. What's changed is the scale. More data, more computing power, and better algorithms. Today's breakthroughs build on decades of research. Understanding that history helps us see AI not as a sudden revolution, but as a long-evolving field with roots in logic, mathematics, and computer science. Myth number 12. AI can predict the future. AI can forecast trends based on past data, but it can't predict the future with certainty. It doesn't have foresight, it has pattern recognition. If the future deviates from past patterns, AI predictions can fail. This is especially true in complex systems like economics or human behavior, where small changes can have big, unpredictable effects. AI is a tool for informed guessing, not crystal ball prophecy. Myth number 13. AI is only for big tech companies. While big tech has led the charge, AI is increasingly accessible. Open-source tools, cloud platforms, and community-driven projects have democratized AI development. Small businesses, researchers, artists, and hobbyists are using AI in creative and impactful ways. You don't need a billion-dollar budget to explore AI, you just need curiosity and the right tools. Myth number 14. AI will eventually become sentient. There's no evidence that AI is on a path to sentience. Sentience involves subjective experience, consciousness, and self-awareness, none of which current AI systems possess or even approximate. Speculation about sentient AI often confuses science fiction with science. While it's a fascinating philosophical question, it's not a technical reality and is likely decades or more away, if ever. Today's AI is powerful, but it's not alive as we think of the term. Myth number 15. AI is a threat to humanity. The real threat isn't AI itself, it's how we choose to use it. Like nuclear energy or genetic engineering, AI is a dual-use technology. It can empower or endanger depending on our values, policies, and oversight. The future of AI is in our hands. With thoughtful design, ethical frameworks, and inclusive dialogue, we can steer AI toward outcomes that benefit everyone. The danger isn't the machine, it's neglecting our responsibility to guide it wisely. So there you have it, 15 myths about AI. Debunked! If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who's curious or maybe a little nervous about AI, and let me know in the comments which myth surprised you the most. And if you've got more myths you want me to tackle, drop them below. I'm always up for a good debunking. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.